Here's how much our flagship algorithm Qzeus made this week trading NASDAQ futures. In this video, I'll also cover some latest updates to the QuantVue dashboard that clients can now see, along with some Zeus 2.0 news, and I'll also showcase some big payouts from real clients. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mike Santucci. I'm the founder and CEO of QuantVue. We're the largest and fastest growing provider of automated trading systems for retail traders. Be sure to like and subscribe because we post videos like this every single week. Let's get into it. All right, so here on the screen, you'll see my Tradingview dashboard. Top right, yes, real cash account, not a prop or demo. I trade Zeus exclusively into my cash accounts. I don't trade props at all. Doesn't mean you don't have to. I just personally only trade cash accounts. If I run the weekly report into this account plus $2,700, and then if I go to this account plus just under $1,000, so almost a $4,000 week into the cash account, fully automated. I wasn't stuck at this screen for hours. Wasn't making emotional trading decisions. I was simply just turning on Zeus, making sure everything was running, and we were good to go. Now I want to showcase a really cool feature here in the QuantVue dashboard. Let's see if you could see this. So on the top of the tabs here, you'll see this new tab, algo results. And in here, you'll see real tick data pulled directly from DataBento onto would-be ATS Zeus 2.0 executions on the NQ 5-minute chart. Now, this wasn't scaling. So this was assuming one contract with martingale and never increasing that contract as the account grew. Ended with an account balance of $148,000 after starting with $50,000. That's a $98K profit, 75% win rate. Trading statistics down here, you'll be able to see what's really cool. It'll pull all of this, and the fact that this is real tick data and not just TradingView back testing, which isn't the most accurate. It's helpful, especially if you're on a higher time frame, but this is going to be far more accurate, and you can see all of those metrics down here. Average win, average loss, largest win, largest loss, highest drawdown, SQN win rate, all this good stuff down here, and then you'll see its recent trades. But you can see all of this here in this really cool tab on the QuantVue dashboard. If you haven't heard already, we have Quant Link. It is live. This is our alert connector and trade copier. People are loving this. The performance is leagues above the competition out there. So no longer will you have to subscribe to an alert connector and a trade copier. Quant Link will do all of that for you. It can automate our QuantVue strategies. It can automate into cash accounts, prop firms. Right now, it's just Tradingview, but we will very soon be adding many more brokers to the list. NinjaTrader, TopStepX, Robinhood, Schwab, Coinbase, Binance. The list of brokers, interactive brokers, TradeStation, all of that will be inside Quant Link. It'll be available to non-QuantVue members, so you don't have to be a member of one of our plans. You could just sign up for Quant Link separately. Now I'll pull up some very cool Zeus 2.0 updates. But first, let's show some love to our recent members getting some payouts. $2,000 there. This member, $6,300. Another $2,000 payout. Nav has been on a tear. Another $2,000 payout. JWatt with, what is that? Can't see the amount, but nice payout there. Nav again. B-Bear with a nice chunk of payouts. 642, another one there. Alfredo with a big one. You could scroll this literally for hours. There are dozens upon dozens. I mean, I could scroll this. This could be an entire video in and of itself, just payouts. And that doesn't count wins. A lot of people with cash accounts, they're naturally probably not going to post payouts. But the wins channel just has an insane amount of daily wins of real traders using these systems. But if I go to the announcements, if you didn't see it, yes, Zeus is coming to NinjaTrader. We are very excited to get this out. The main reason for this is because TradingView delays have gotten very bad in recent weeks and months. And to help combat this is ATS 2.0, which will be completely off of TradingView and into our own containerized system. So we won't be relying on any platform. But if you don't end up going with 2.0, if you don't end up going that route, you can get Zeus on NinjaTrader natively right in there. NinjaTrader has great automation, execution, given that they are a broker themselves. So this is going to be big. As you can see by the reactions, people are very pumped up there about Zeus coming to NinjaTrader. So this strategy here, coming to NinjaTrader. Also, little side announcement. If you didn't see in our Discord, we just opened up the second round of our 30-day trading bootcamp. Last month was the first bootcamp. We've been getting asked for literally years for a bootcamp, and we brought it to you guys last month. You guys loved it. We just opened up enrollment for this next month's October. Enrollment is today until the 15th of October, which would be Thursday at midnight. And then the start date would be the day after. Actually, got to change that. That should say Wednesday. Sorry. But very, very cool stuff. People love this boot camp. All this information will be via email or in our Discord. Now, if you want access to Zeus, the strategy that I showcased, if you want access to Quant Link, all that good stuff, click the first link. You'll be able to book a call with our team to see if the ATS program is a good fit. Otherwise, also in the description, you'll find links to our Pro and Elite plans. A lot of our ATS program members start on Pro and Elite and eventually upgrade, some within days, some within weeks, some within months after getting a few payouts. That is a fantastic path for you to get to the ATS in a sustainable manner if it better suits your situation. Others just go straight to ATS. We have hundreds upon hundreds, I think almost 1,000 ATS clients now making that leap to that program because the results speak for themselves. The systems, the community speak volumes. If you want the boot camp, go to our Discord. I'll probably post a link in the description for that as well, just for this video. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, post videos like this every single week. See you in the next one.